Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about the difference between letter B and P. Focus kids, the sound of letter B is B, B, B. مش بنطلع أي هوا من بقنا, okay? But letter P is P, 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 P. Okay, so letter B, the sound of B, B, B. Like what? Like the words book, book, and box, box, box. Also the word bag, bag, bag. But focus, these words are purple, 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 pink, 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 and pen, 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 pencil, pencil, pencil. Could you read this word? Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next video and goodbye.